Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. In case if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So, today we'll see how to make small keychains out of insulin bottles. So, let's get started. So, first, all we're gonna do is with the help of a bucket or a pucker, we'll just loosen up the caps of the bottles and just remove it and wash it properly and remove all the stickers on it, as it has double seal caps, one of a rubber, another of aluminium, so it will get sealed up. So first we'll take the bottle and paint it with help of a fevicol. We'll just apply a layer of fevicol, so when we paint it, so the paint gets evenly painted all over the bottle. So this is how it will be. Paint the fevicol evenly all over the bottle. Then after applying the layer of fevicol, we'll just paint it with the black color. So this is how it will spread and a layer evenly on the bottle, and it will not form small droplets on the bottle. And then this is how it will look finally. Then we'll take small sponge, apply some paint on it, and we'll just start making small patches of different colors on the bottle. You can try it with different colors. Then we'll take some glitter. We'll take powdered glitter, add fevicol to it, and just mix it well with the help of a brush. You can take glitters of any colors. Then after mixing it, just apply it in small patches or any pattern you like, so that the glitter gets stuck nicely. After drying, this is how it will be looking. Then we'll take another bottle. Here I am sticking some artificial herbs or ferns to it. So stick some artificial ferns or herbs inside the bottle. Choose the size appropriately, because the gap between the bottle is small. Then I'm putting some beads or motis into the bottle. Some small colorful beads, some artificial small leaves. You can put any decorative small material into the bottle that makes it look attractive and beautiful. But make sure it goes inside the bottle. Then here I am putting some more beads, flowers. And then you can put some glycerin or mixture of some water and oil into the bottle for that liquidy texture to it. You can put any viscous liquid into it, whichever you prefer. If you are mixing oil with water, make sure you mix it really well, and after that it will be like this. Make sure you don't fill completely, so that it will not move, and stick at the end. Just stick with the help of glue the keychain ring to it, the chain of that, so you can hang it anywhere. This is how your bottle will look. Make sure you stick that chain fix so that it will not get loose and fall off. This was the first bottle and this is the second. You can use this as a paperweight also, and also as a keychain. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel Glittery Vibes. We will be back super soon with another video. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering. Thanks for watching.